Kaze everyone, welcome. Kaze means welcome. Welcome back to my video. All right, hi Kaze everyone. My name is Sandrine. If you're new here, I make soap making videos, entrepreneurship series, and also other DIY skincare products. So if you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you could be notified whenever I do post a video. And welcome to the Voyagers crew. So today we're making aloe vera soap. It's unscented. It's called Quiet Middle. I know it's not so quiet here, but yeah, the bar is called Quiet Middle. It has aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, avocado, fresh avocado, colloidal oats, and Irish sea moss. Um, this is unscented, and of course, we have our oils: shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil. So, this is specifically made for people with extremely sensitive skin who do not like unscented products, whether it's synthetic scents or essential oils. Although I do scent some of my soap bars with essential oils, I do not use synthetic scents or synthetic fragrances. But yeah, this soap bar is unscented. So enjoy the making. I hope you like it. And if you do, please go ahead and give this video a like. Also, leave a comment if you have anything to say about this video. I would really appreciate if you leave a comment and share if you're kind to share. And yeah, I'll see you again in my next video. Amahoro. And Amahoro means peace.